Hello guys, how are you today? Hello for everybody and welcome to my channel Open Source for Dummies. Today I will show you how to install Grafana and Loki and Promtail for collecting logs from remote Linux servers. I was preparing for you two images, Grafana and Loki, in my URL in my website, and you can download from there and upload to your machine with FileZilla, okay, like this, or you can use Mobaxterm and here the SFTP and upload here your images. Okay, now when you upload the image, you need to run the following command. It's docker load. You see, docker load -i grafana.tar and docker load -i loki-tar. Don't worry, all of this is written in the video description. Okay, if I press enter, I get this image. This is because I already have the image uploaded, but when you don't have the image, you will see picture like something like this. Okay, you will see docker load I and grafana. All the images will be loaded. Okay, so now we will run these two containers and starting to use Prometheus with Loki. Let me explain to you. Grafana, the module of Grafana is to show you all the data. Okay, the Loki component is just for collecting the logs. Okay, this is just the model for it. And the promtail.service, the purpose of promtail is to ship all the logs that he is scraping from your server machine, from your logs files, and ship it to Loki. And then Grafana takes all of this data and show it to you. Okay, I will show you how it's works. It's very simple. Don't worry, we will manage this in very simple way. Okay, so to start working with the system, I'll need to run docker run -d -p 3000. Okay, if I will run the docker with -d, I will not see any output. Okay, it's for more convenient way to work. If I remove the -d, you will not able to work with the CLI. So we add this -d. -p, we will expose how we enter the Grafana menu, the Grafana web interface, by exposing the port 3000. Okay, and then the image that we want to run with these parameters. The image is called Grafana. We will copy it. If you want to see these images, you need to run docker images. Okay, I will paste it here and press enter. Okay, the container is running. If I do docker ps, the container is running. Okay, don't mind of this is only for testing. It's not, we will not use it for now. And now we need to run the second command. How we run Loki. Loki runs in port 3100. Okay, so we run this one. Okay, we'll paste it here, and I will run this image, the last one. So I will copy it because I have I have the same name for these two images. I will use image ID, and I will use this image, the correct one. Okay, press enter, and that's it. Docker -ps, the two systems running. So now we will go to my IP address. My IP address is this one. I will copy it, go to my web browser and put 3000. Welcome to Grafana. Username admin. Of course, I suggest you to change it after you log in. Okay, I will not give enough for now a new password because it's for testing purpose. I will skip. This is our system. Okay, so as we said, this is all the web interface that show us all the data we're collecting from the servers, but we need the middle, our Loki guy, for us to ship and show the logs. So we add your first data source. We will add our first data source. We will choose Loki, select. Here we put where our IP address where Loki is sitting. That's it. Our Loki sitting on my server, on this server. I will put here the IP address and put here 3000. That's it. And save. Click on save and test. Data source connected and labels found. That will tell us that the Loki component work as should be. That's it. Very, very simple. We're going to home. Now the fun part. I will go to my test server. This is server I want to get logs from. Okay, I need here to config my promtail. Just promtail acts like a Zabbix server agent. Zabbix server agent is shipping information about the server to Zabbix. Promtail is shipping information about the server to Grafana and Loki. That's it. Very simple. So we will make promtail as a service. For now, we need to download it. Okay, called promtail for Linux. Don't worry. All of this will be in all of the URL I will give you in the video description and on my website. Promtail for Linux. Okay, I forgot where it is now. Okay, we will download it. Sorry, the inconvenient. I forgot to do that. Okay, but we will find it. Okay, lucky promtail. Okay, so we will need promtail from Linux 64 bits. That's the one we need. Okay. Now we will unzip it. We will unzip it to my desktop and we will upload it to this one. Okay, so we will upload it for this path. Why this path? For many purpose, for our convenient. Okay, so we go to usr local bin and here we will upload the promtail agent. Okay, promtail Linux AMD 64-bit. Don't worry, this file will be in my website in the URL I was giving you in the description below the video. We will upload it. Okay. Okay, so now we will create a service called promtail. So we will do vi. Okay, we will create a new service. We will do vi etc systemd system, and the service will call promtail.service. Okay, don't worry, all of this information will be in the description. We copy this. Okay, we click in the keyboard the control insert, no control, sorry, the button insert, and then paste. We will insert all the parameters. Okay, for the explanation, let me explain to you very fast. The promtail agent will be set, the service will be read the promtail agent from here, okay, from our path, and the config file all also from here. That's it. I will do escape dots and WQ for saving. Okay, now we need to upload our promtail configuration. So no, don't worry, the loki-config.yaml also will be in the description. Okay, I will upload here also. Why I upload here? Because the Loki configuration file also is reading from here. The service is reading the file from his path. So I need just to rename the name, because it's not the Loki config name. The name is Loki config.yaml escape.wq. Okay, so now we need to do system control start promtail service. Okay, that's because I managed to mess it up. System control. Okay, we started, and we need to enable it, because if the server will be restarted, the promtail service will not going up back and nothing will be working. Now we do status to see what's happening with the agent. Okay, it's failing because we need to do some configuration in the loki-config.yaml file. Okay, so now we do vi to see, no, where is it? usr local bin and loki-config.yaml. This is all of our configuration. Okay, but this is not right configuration for us. We need another configuration, and I will now show it to you what we need to put. Don't worry, all the right configuration will be in the file. I will delete everything. Okay, and put the right config. I will put the right config. Config. Yeah, sometimes you need to do a Google search. It's okay. You will learn a lot about this technology. So I will copy it. Okay, we'll copy it and we will do some changes. Okay, so see, okay, this is our server listed in 1980. This is your port. You don't need to touch this, you don't need to touch this, you not need to touch this. Okay, here you need to put where your Loki is running, on which server Loki is running. So our Loki running on this server, here running on this server. This is our server. So I will copy it again and put here. Okay, this is the script config. How you want to call the job name? Okay, I want to call it system. That's it. This is I will no, it's not a good configuration. I will show you another configuration. Yeah, see here in Computer Geeks, computing for geeks, and here he explained very well, and here we have all the configuration that we need. It's here. Okay, ingester. Okay, no, it's also that what we don't need. Let's see another configuration. Okay, great, that's what we need. So I will now go to our test server. Okay, don't forget to click insert in your keyboard and then paste. That's it. Okay, so our server is listening on the Loki service sitting in my Grafana server. Okay, that's it. This is our server. And then we go to script config. For example, my job name is system. Okay, targets is localhost. You can put also this IP address in here, but it's the same, it's not matter. And labels, how the job will calling. I want my job, I want to see all the logs of YAM, all my YAM logs. So my job name is YAM, and the path is var log. Okay, and where is the YAM log that said if I want just YAM, so YAM that log. If I will want to see all of the logs that in the log folder, I need to put that asterisk that log, and I will see all of the logs in the folder. And I think I just can also remove the that and put it like this. So for the example, I want to see only the YAM that log. Okay, all the logs are finalized with that log. Escape WQ, and we need to restart the promtail.service that we will working correctly. Okay. Oh, interesting. We have an issue. Why is that? Let's see if we can see all of the promtail logs in here. Let's see what was happening. Okay, let's see. Okay, if we will see messages, what happening. Okay, so what the hell is happening? Exit code Y. Okay, I don't know why. Don't forget to give permission to the agent promtail.service. It will not start until you don't give permission. I will give the permission 760. It's reading write for the group. Only reading, and for the guest nothing else. And we give chmod 760 to promtail to all of the space, include the promtail agent itself. Okay, then we'll do again restarting the promtail service status. Interesting. Okay, let's try even chmod 777, maybe it will work. Okay. No, still not working. Okay. We will do some troubleshooting to see what is happening. You give also for Loki. Okay, still we have some issue. It's very interesting why all of this is happening. Okay, so let's Google it. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, this is very interesting. I think I know what is the problem, because in the systemctl of promtail I was forgot to put the right user that he will start with. So we will check what is the issue. Caption promtail.service simple user promtail. Okay, I will run it with root user. Okay, for now, you know what? Let's use root for now. I don't recommend to use root. It's for only for testing purpose. Okay, you should add a promtail user for that and give him all the permissions. Okay, so because we did a change in the systemd unit, we need to run this command. Okay, and restart prompt.service again. Okay, so now I see that it's working. Okay, now we have another issue. Enable pairs config, open usr local bin, no shut file directory. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, I know why, because if we go to var log, okay, I don't have any yam.log. Okay, so we will take another log. We will take, for example, we want to see what happened in kdump log. Okay, cut kdump log. We see something. Okay, no, it's not much information. I want to see something else. Okay, let's see if we will have here something. Okay, so we will put in the configuration of promtail, we will see all of the logs. Okay, we will see all of the logs that we have in the folder. Okay, we will change this to asterisk, no, star, all the logs. I want to see all the logs in the var log path folder. Okay, I will restart again the service. For I'm working with Red Hat system, with Red Hat platform. If you have a CentOS OS, it will also be this command. This command are exactly like in Red Hat environment. Okay, and then we will do status to see what's happening. Okay. Okay, strange. No such file or directory. Okay, yeah, I forgot. It's called loki-conf. Such a moron. Okay, this is happening. Don't panic. We'll fix it fast. We'll go to the systemd and change this to the right name. It's not working because there's no loki-config. It's loki-conf. That's config. No, it's the right name. Strange. USR local bin. that it's okay, it's called YAML. Okay, with A, I forgot to do that, sorry guys. Okay, now it needs to work. Okay, so if we will start again, we need to restart the systemctl daemon-reload. Be careful with that command, okay? It will restart all your services. Okay, so now we'll see that promtail is see some level info logs, and he will ship all of the logs in this port. That's it. Very simple. Well, now we will go to our Grafana, and we will go to here to explore this button you see like a compass. We will go to log browser, okay, and we'll see all our logs. Great, huh? Looks good. And for example, I want to see what's happening in my boot log. So I choose here and click show logs. That's it. And here, this will show me all the logs in more convenient way. Very easy. If you want to use query, you need to put file name, the path you want, which log do you want to see, okay, space, pipe, equal, and this for if I want to search something specific in this log. For example, command scheduler. Okay, we will put this word and do run query. Okay, I forgot, always when you put a string you need to put this one. Okay, and here the Grafana show me all of the command scheduler name which lines contains this word in our boot.log. That's it. Very simple. It's very good platform, very good program to collect logs for your system, especially if you have application log. In the next video I will show you how you can collect logs with Zabbix, also a great tool that we have. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you think it was very helpful for you and it was very easy and it was very dummy, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and have a nice day.